Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle here, you have two flip-out cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, and your Eco Coach, also a comm screen. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and settings around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, hazards, and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls as well as your climate controls here. Moving to the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode. Moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. And then moving down, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate another person. You have seating for 6 in total in this vehicle, and underneath that you have another lockable compartment for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.